Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are fine. I hope you guys are okay. So today we are going to continue our videos about PowerShell. And today we are going to talk about modules, alright? So I already have my PowerShell here open and we are going to see how to run it. I mean, how to find it, how to install, how to remove, okay? And they're going to apply some filters also. It's very basic. So first, we're going to get module, all right? List a available and press enter. So all the modules I have installed on my computer, it's going to appear on a list right here. So you guys can see I have a lot of Azure modules, right? So yeah, let's finish. Okay, done. Now, there's a lot of things. I don't know what happened. There's a lot of information, a lot of modules. Okay, and we have to filter that. Like I'm looking for Azure modules only, or Windows Defender, or Windows Update. Okay, to do that we can just use the same command, get module, okay, list available, and then here pipe, we can use pipe where object, and then we open here $sign underscore dot, and then I'm going to use name. So the name is going to be like double quotes, and then let's see SM Defender, right? Windows Defender. And here start and close it and close and press enter. So now we are going to have some results, few actually, because we just looked for something like Defender, okay? And now we can just say get command, okay, module, uh, yeah, Defender. See here, and here we have all the functions from this, okay? But we can also filter using pipe again, where if I want something more specifically inside this command from this module, I can just say object $sign dot, and then start, name like, and then start single quote, and then close and press enter. Where object, yep, object, okay, press enter. So we have two results: start MP scan and start MPW DOS scan or DO scan. Okay, so perfect. Let's say we want to search, or we have to find some module for development. Also, it's very simple. Like find. Sorry, I'm just checking my cell phone. Find module. Okay, and then here we can use let's use pipe where object, and then I'm going to open it $, and then underscore name and then like star uh, WebKit. Okay, and close here, star, then here and here, close. So we are looking for modules where yeah, I have a project for kids, for poor kids, and the guys are talking to me here, sorry. So we are looking for a module name, uh, something like WebKit Dev, and we got it right here. Okay, let's wait to finish this, and then we are going to install it. Okay. Sorry guys, I do 2 3 trainings at the same time. I'm really sorry for that, but the time is short, so voila. It's finishing, probably is looking for something else. Okay, it's normal. So let's wait. Who is now? Who's that? Okay, so it's done. Now we can install module name, and then we are going to give the name WebKit Dev, WebKit Dev, and press enter. And let's see if it's going to install or not. Yeah, so here it's telling me, by the way, if you guys saw the first videos, there is something about permissions. Okay, and here I'm going to allow it because the installation policy is already set on my computer. So I'm going to press A and press enter. Okay, and now it's going to install this module on my computer. Okay, done. Now, just to be sure, get module list available where object, and then open keys parts, brackets, right? $sign underscore dot name like. Then I'm going to use here WebKit. Alright. I don't need to use the first star, but I'm going to use anyway. Close it and close. So press enter. Let's see what we get. So here we just installed it. Alright. And we can get the commands from this. Command module WebKit Dev. Here we have all the commands from it. Okay, we can install Ruby, Python, Pure, because it's a web development kit. Alright. So now how can we remove this module? It's simple. Remove module name, and then we're going to give the name WebKit Dev. Press enter, and it's done. It's removed. Okay, there's nothing else to do. So, well, for now is it, guys. Okay, thanks a lot for watching my videos. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. If you like, give me a like, give some comments if you want. So that's all for now. Thanks a lot again, and see you guys on the next video.